Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're going to take an old dull plastic side cover for a Honda 90, and we're going to make it shine like new using a headlight restore kit. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are. I don't know how much, see how you can see how dull that is, even though we're getting a lot of light from a lot of reflection from the light, but it's dull. This one looks a lot better. That's because this one yesterday was way worse than this one, and I said, I wonder if the headlight restore would work on it. So I said, the headlights are plastic, why wouldn't this work? I said it couldn't get any worse than what it was, and it was like this on the inside. It was really gray, really dull. You can see it's not in the best condition, but it's better than the one I had because I didn't have one. You can see down here where it's a little duller than what it was. So we're going to start right back here with this guy and see if we can get it to look really, really good. Okay, here we go. I just wanted to get some glass cleaner. Just spray it on. That's what I'm going to use to lubricate this. I'm going to start with this guy. And the good thing is this kit, they give you everything. And guys, this is not an ad. Use whatever restore kit you want. Since I already had it, I didn't have to spend any money. I already had this, so I'm going to go right at it and see if I can get rid of some of these. Now, this, I also know that this side cover is not going to be perfect because, I'll show you right here, it has a like burn mark right there. So I know I'm not going to get rid of that, but if I can get it to shine, it won't show up. You can see it's already, all those little fine scratches are gone. Big gouge on the bottom, but let's see if we can get it to, if we get it 30% better than what it was before, it'd be perfect. And this is all, I don't have to paint, don't have to do anything. This is just prepping the surface so I can take, it's still original, right? I didn't paint it. All I did was use today's technology on finishing the surface better. You know, when I was thinking about, well, I wonder if I could do this, I was thinking, well, these are plastic, they're black all the way through. So it's not just black on the top and then it's white and there's white plastic underneath. No, it's not coated. This is plastic all the way through, so it's bound to clean up. Yeah, this is going to come out so much better. Because before I had so many little fine scratches in it that once I put the clear on top. Now I'm going to go through, and I don't know if you can really pick it up here. You can see this little line. I think you can pick up this little line right in here. That was like a run from the clear that I put on, from the sealant. I keep calling it clear, but from that. But I'm going to go ahead and see if I can sand that some more. See if I can get that out. Especially this edge, because this is the front edge. Somebody walked, yeah, that's so much better. See how we got that out? Had a little, there's still a little bit right in here. You can see. But it is light years better. It's super smooth, so let me go through a little bit more and then we'll move on to the 3000 grit sandpaper. I'm not an expert at this. There's somebody out there. If somebody out there knows more, please let me know in the comments down below. This is just, again, yesterday I was tired of looking at the side cover looking the way it did, and I said, just wondered if that headlight restore would work. And it made it look considerably better. So if there's another solution out there, let me know, please, in the comments down below. This is it. Let me dry this guy off. We're going to go to the 3000. That is looking good. See, I got some scratches right in there. You can see those right there. I'm going to try to get those out. But the good thing, the thing I like about this, and I'm excited about this, is because oftentimes I tend to buy used parts. And if I can buy, let's say there's a side cover, a black side cover that looks like this, I'll say, yeah, let's get it. probably be cheaper than one that looked like this, right? Be considerably cheaper, but I know all I have to do is sand it and finish it, and I can get it to look the way I need it to. So let's go back up. That was the 3000 grit sandpaper. Let's move up. I mean the 1000 grit sandpaper. Now we're going to move up to the 3. Let's do this. And I don't know if there's a right or wrong way, which direction you should sand or not sand. Again, I'm doing this. If somebody in the watching, please let me know. And this may not be rocket science. This may be something that people are already doing, but I just didn't know. So let me know that too. If you've been doing this for 20 years. I know I've been late to the party plenty of times, so it doesn't affect me. So that should be good. Let's get another towel. Let's give it a wipe. I'm going to use this pad instead of that. Started with the 1000 grit sandpaper, 3000 grit sandpaper, and now we're going to the Plastic X, or any plastic polish that you have. That should be plenty. Getting better. Starting to see it's got a little bit more shine to it. Starting to come back. The color's starting to come back. Let's see if this wheel works better. That should be more than enough. Perfect. Okay, you rub it in just so maybe it'll stop me from slinging so much around, so I have less I have to clean up after. Let's give it a little wipe. You gotta make sure you get it good and clean before you put the sealant on. So I'm gonna use this, and we'll put the sealant on. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, let's take this guy. All it says, shake it real good, put some on here, and then wipe it on. It says to go from the top to the bottom. I don't know if that means go from the top to the bottom or the top to the bottom. Is it this way or is it this way? Doesn't matter, we're gonna go this way. So I'm gonna put some on here. It said put enough to fill it. And I found that kind of the more you put on, the thicker you can lay this stuff on. So you can see it just fills it up. Just makes such a difference. And it dries to the touch in, it said in 15 minutes, and then let it cure for 24 hours. But look at the difference. It's pretty crazy. Okay guys, here we are. It's cured. Look at these things. They're not perfect. You can see the scratches are still there when you see it. Scratches are still there, but look at that. I'm about 2 feet away from them right now. That is incredible. And all by using just this Headlight Restore kit. Pretty incredible. Simple, easy use. If you've got this laying around and you happen to have a Honda that's got plastic side covers, or anything that's got plastic side covers, and they're scratched up, they're marred up, go ahead and polish them up. So guys, there you have it. Thanks again for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again guys, and have a great day.